Hey, how about To Your Health, On the Go, and Bon Appetit? It's all happening again this year on April the 20th, the Herb Fair for 2024, and we have with us the president of the Herbal Society, Carolyn Gomillion. Thanks for coming back, young lady, and thanks again for bringing it back.
Thank you. This, as you know, is our 27th annual Herb Day event, and we are really excited this year. We're going to have close to 50 vendors selling pottery and
everything under the sun,
herbs and plants, and Bottle Tree Bob with his festive garden art. It will be a great day for purchasing gifts for Mother's Day or anything.
Yeah. A lot of different lotions are there, a lot of different soaps, creams, potions. Bring your grandchildren and let them buy gifts for Mama for Mother's Day. It makes it great. And it's at Grace Presbyterian Church, the Atlanta Highway, right near Bell Road.
Bell Road, corner of Bell Road and Atlanta Highway.
From 8 in the morning till 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And what's the herb of the year?
The herb of the year is a special herb. This is yarrow, and it's one of the oldest herbs that it's been used for centuries for many medicinal purposes. It was first noted in the Neanderthal period. They found it in the caves.
Wow.
But the early settlers to North America brought it with them, and then they discovered it was already growing here. So it grows in many countries, and it's used widely in many countries. And
you say you can make it into a tea?
Oh, you can. You can make it into a tea, a tincture, an infusion. You can chew it up and put it on a wound if you're so inclined.
Is that right? Well,
to stop the bleeding. Yes. So it is considered one of the top.
So, does it bloom? Does it
does.
Stay all year long? Or do you have to in the winter?
It dies back in the wintertime and comes back in the early spring.
Okay.
Definition of an herb.
Yep.
And it makes a beautiful white flowers that get rather tall. In a month or so, we'll have beautiful white clustered flowers that are wonderful in bouquets.
Great.
And so, as I said, it's had many medicinal uses. It's very nutritive. It's got, among other things, it has iodine, potassium.
Wow.
And
everything else.
And some other things, yes. So in the past, it's been used kind of like spinach. People would steam it and serve it, but it is a very bitter herb.
Good.
But bitter herbs are good for you.
Absolutely.
You just have to add something to take away the bitterness.
Oh, great. And it'll be at the Herb Fair. It's the 20th of April. It's right around the corner. Next couple of weeks, we'll have some shows talking about things you can do with herbs. We'll be right back right after this.